Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I'm recording this on one of the hottest days of the year, so please forgive the whirring sound in the background. It is my fan. But if I didn't have that fan on, I would be melting. It's absolutely boiling in the UK at the moment. I think we've just come off 2 days solidly of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been absolutely unbelievable. We've reached the hottest temperatures in many a long year. Almost takes me back to 76, that horrendous year of heat. These coins here are from Change Checker and they are the latest coins to come out, or the latest 50p's to come out. These are the Alan Turing coins. I'll put one to one side and we'll concentrate on just one of them because they're both exactly the same coin. So let me zoom in. It says going the wrong way totally. This is the obverse, shows the Majesty of the Queen and the date of 2022. It's the JC portrait. On the bottom of there you've got some information about the specifications of the coin, and onto the main coin itself. On this coin we have a rotary arm going across some dials or some contact points. These are very similar to what was used in Colossus, which was the computer, and also of course in the Enigma machine that broke the code of the German Naval and Air Force. On here you have 3 or 4 decipherable areas of code. I'm not going to tell you what they are, you can research them yourself. One of them is the actual initials of the artist, of the designer of the coins, and then there's 2 coins. It is well documented what these are, so I'm not going to actually tell you what they are, simply because my eyesight isn't up to it, I don't think. They're far too small for my eyesight to be hold of. Let's see if I can sing with the bins on. Just leave the coin there for you to look at while I put the bins on. The centre there is only a foretaste of what is to come, I think. And then down the outside I think it's CD and WS, I might be wrong, which is in this outside area here. You have the first 2 initials of the first artist, and then the second, and then the 2 initials of the second artist. And then here there is another part of, I'm not sure what it is, I can't quite make it out, but there is a third one on the inside area here. This coin is there's a lot going on in this coin, which is unusual if you take the last 3 or 4 designs. They've been very how can I put it, they've been very sparse in their design. You think of the 70th platinum anniversary, you just had 70 and then ER with a crown in it and the date for the platinum jubilee. Before that you had 2 coins that were full of writing. You had the Brexit and the diversity. Very plain coins, not much to them. In fact, I think they're pretty awful designs, to be honest. I think you could have probably found something a lot more graphical to show off diversity, and the same with the leaving of the EU. The EU exit the Brexit coin. Queen's 70th anniversary, okay, that was going to be fairly standard. Then we had the Pride coin. The Pride coin was a bit more complex like this one is, but it wasn't easy to read. And again, this small writing down here in the coded area is also quite small and it's not easy to read. So they seem to have switched from one extreme to the other in 5 coins. So you've had 2 on the extreme where there's been very crowded, very sort of huge amount of information on the coin, which was this one and the Pride. Then you had the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, which was very plain, very simple, very uncluttered. And then you had the 2 coins that I consider 2 of the worst design coins I've ever seen in the Brexit and the diversity. So what do you think of this one? Do you think there's too much going on the coin? Do you think that it's a coin that's not going into circulation, so it doesn't really matter what the design is? It's only for collectors. As a collector, I quite like this coin. I think it represents something that's, and a person who is very, in Alan Turing, who is very dominant in his field and did an awful lot of work to help this country out in its hour of need. So therefore he deserves to be on a coin. It's the Science and Innovation coin for this year, which makes a difference as well. I'm quite surprised that they released the Alexander Graham Bell £2 in the year set, and of course it's just coming out on Monday next week, which will be the 1st of August, as the new £2 coin. I'd have thought with his knowledge and what he did in science, that coin would have also been an innovation of science coin, even though it's a £2 coin. We have had £2 innovation of science coins. So is the Alexander Graham Bell the 2nd coin this year from the Innovation of Science series? I tend to think that it is. Oh, sorry about that. I pressed the record button and stopped the recording. As I was saying, I think the Alexander Graham Bell really ought to be the 2nd Innovation of Science coin for this year. He was a scientist. He produced something that is essential in today's world. The offshoot of his invention, we can't do without now. We can't do without mobile phones. Our whole world seems to revolve around that particular inanimate object. So, do you think that Alexander Graham Bell £2 should be the 2nd Innovation of Science coin this year? I do. So, tell me down below in the comments what you think. Do you like this coin? Do you think the Alexander Graham Bell coin should be the 2nd Innovation of Science coin? I've ended the review here. If you are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you find something that you enjoy watching. I am at the moment trying to grow the channel, so if you've enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't already done so, think about subscribing to the channel. I'm 15 off reaching my target, my minimum target for this year, which is 100 subs. I have 85 at this precise moment in time, so if you can help me get to 100, I'll be very grateful. Thank you for staying to the end of the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now, ta-da.